हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडके यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण घेणार आहोत क्लास 7 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 90 प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, write the appropriate terms and in the blanks. Question number A, the alloy called as a dash dash and dash dash are used for making industrial magnets. The alloy called as a alnico and the nipper mag are used for making industrial magnets. Question number B, the magnetic field can pass through dash dash and dash dash. The magnetic field can pass through cardboard and bottle. Question number C, the intensity of magnetic field is indicated by the lines of dash dash. The intensity of magnetic field is indicated by lines of force. Question number D, the real test of magnet is dash dash. Answer is the real test of magnet is repulsion. Question number 2, with whom should I pair up? Answer, okay, column A, first is a compass, answer is a D, magnetic needle. Second point, door of the cupboard, answer is a magnet. Third point, repulsion like a B, answer is B, like poles. Fourth point is magnetic poles, answer is A, the highest magnetic force. Question number 3, write answers to the following question. In that question A, distinguish between the two methods of making artificial magnet. In that, single touch method and double touch method. In single touch method, in this method one magnet is used to magnetize the steel bar. Double touch method, in this method two magnets are used to magnetize the steel bar. In single touch method, in this method the magnet is dragged from one end to the steel bar to the another end. After the double touch method, in this method two magnets are dragged from the middle of the steel bar to the opposite directions. Third is, as only one magnet is used to introduce the magnetism, this method is called as a single touch method. Third point, in double touch method, as two bar magnets are used to introduce the magnetism, this method is called as a double touch method. Fourth point, the magnetism created by this method is of low strength and lasts for the short time. In that fourth point, the magnetism created by this method of high strength and lasts for longer time. Question number B, which substances are used for making the electromagnet? Answer, the substances used for making the electromagnets are an iron nail, insulated copper wire, one or more batteries and pair of wire strippers. Okay student, so question number C, write a note on magnetic field. See the diagram of magnetic field. This is called as a magnetic lines of force and this is a bar magnet. Answer, the region around a magnet where the magnetic force acts on an object is called as a magnetic field. Second point, the magnetic field around a magnet can be shown by means of the magnetic lines of force. Third point, the intensity of the magnetic field can be obtained from the number of lines of force. Fourth point, the intensity of the magnetic field is low where the lines of force are sparse and the intensity of high where the lines of force is concentrated. Fifth point, a magnetic field is a magnetic effect of electric currents and magnetic material. Sixth point, the magnetic field at any region point is specified by both the direction and the magnitude. Seventh point, magnetic fields are produced by the electric current. Question number D, why is the magnet needle used in the compass? Answer, the magnetic compass is the most familiar compass type. Second point, its function as a pointer to magnetic north and local magnetic meridian because of the magnetized needle as its heart aligns itself with the horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. Third point, a compass is an instrument used for the navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions. Okay. Question number E, explain with the help of diagram how intensity and direction of the magnetic field of a bar magnet can be determined. Answer, see the diagram of the magnetic fields of lines. Our answer is, the region around the magnet where the magnetic force acts on an object is called as a magnetic field. The magnetic field around a magnet can be shown by means of the magnetic lines of force. The intensity of the magnetic field can be obtained from the number of lines of force. The intensity of the magnetic field is low where the lines of force are sparse and the intensity is high where the lines of force are concentrated. Fifth point, the magnetic field is the magnetic effect of electric currents and the magnetic material. Sixth point, the magnetic field at any given point is specified by both the direction and the magnitude. Question number 7, magnetic fields are produced by electric current. Question number 4. Give the detailed information about how the merchants of olden times use a magnet while traveling. Question number A. Answer. The merchants of the older times used the magnet whose north-south side was known. Second point. When the magnet is freely suspended, the north pole of the magnet settles in the direction of the geographic north pole of the earth. Third point. This is how the merchants come to know the directions while traveling. Fourth point. The idea for the using landstones in the compass first appeared in China. Fifth point. The first compass were made of a limestone, naturally magnetized, or of iron. Sixth point. The Chinese use south pointing spoon, which when thrown upon the ground comes to rest pointing at the south. Seventh point. Then the transition was made from the limestone spoons to iron needle. 8 point. In the medieval period of the magnetic needles in the shape of the fish floating in the bowl of water was used as a compass pointing south. 9 point. It was called as a floating compass. 10 point. In the 20th century, liquid filled magnet compass began appear. 11 point. There is a lesser known compass called as a dry marines compass. Okay, so thank you students. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.